Understanding the psychology behind sales is the key to becoming a successful salesperson. It's not just about knowing your product, but also understanding the psychological triggers that drive people to make a purchase. Let's explore the important principles behind effective sales. First and foremost, building trust. And rapport is crucial. People are more likely to buy from those they trust and like. Take Starbucks, for example, where baristas remember customer names, creating a sense of familiarity and trust. Social proof is another powerful tool in sales. We are influenced by the behaviors and opinions of others. Testimonials, reviews, and social proof can greatly impact a buyer's decision. Emotional motivation plays a significant role in sales. People often make purchases based on their emotions and then justify their decision with logic later. Understanding their emotional triggers is key. Scarcity and urgency tap into the fear of missing out, FOMO. When people believe that something is limited or scarce, they are more likely to take action. This is why Black Friday sales are a global phenomenon. Reciprocity is another psychological trigger. When you give something, even something small, the recipient feels a psychological need to give back. Free samples in supermarkets, for instance, lead to increased purchases as people feel inclined to buy in return. Authority is important in sales. We trust experts and authority figures. Positioning yourself as an authority will naturally make people follow your guidance. For instance, when doctors recommend products, ads, or certifications like FDA approved, create trust across global audiences. Anchoring effect involves presenting a higher price first, making the subsequent lower price seem like a bargain. This is often seen in technology stores, where the high-end model is presented first, making the mid-range one seem like a better deal. Simplifying choices is essential because too many options can overwhelm buyers. By simplifying options, you make decision-making easier for them. Storytelling is a powerful tool in engaging and persuading customers. Humans are hardwired for stories, and a well-told story can outperform facts alone. Coca-Cola, for example, uses powerful storytelling in their advertising by focusing on emotions and values. Creating a clear call to action is vital. People need to be told what to do next. Clear instructions, such as buy now or sign up today buttons in digital marketing, can lead to conversions. Lastly, the key to successful sales lies in the importance of following up. Sales are often made through continuous interactions and follow-ups. Ensuring your product stays top of mind is essential. So, understanding the psychology behind sales is not just about knowing your product. It's about building trust, leveraging social proof, understanding emotional motivation, tapping into scarcity and urgency, utilizing reciprocity, establishing authority, employing anchoring effects, simplifying choices, engaging through storytelling, creating clear calls to action, and following up. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe, like, and share for more sales tips. And following up, did you enjoy this video? And share for more sales tips.